Hola a todos, bienvenidos y bienvenidas. Hello everyone, welcome to our new Spanish lesson. Today's lesson will be about grammar and we are going to focus on los adjetivos posesivos. Los adjetivos posesivos. So, we're going to see that two types of adjectives, possessive adjectives in Spanish. The first group of adjectives, of adjetivos, are the ones that go before the noun, antes del sustantivo. And here we have them. So, for the first person singular, mi, mis, mis. So, you might wonder why are there four options here. The four options are masculine singular, feminine singular, masculine plural, and feminine plural. So, in the case of first person singular, we have mi for both masculine and feminine, and mis for both masculine and feminine. In the first case, singular, in the second case, plural. So, if I want to say my book, mi libro. If I want to say my books, mis libros. Alright? Second person singular, so tú, you. Tú, singular, tus, plural. So, your books, tus libros. Your book, singular, tu libro. They all have to be changed, let's say, in accordance to the subject of the sentence. In that case, the subject is the book, and so singular, masculine, el libro. Therefore, we use tú. Okay, we will make examples and we will say some sentences in a few minutes. Anyway, let's carry on. For the third person singular, su for the singular, sus for the plural, su libro, sus libros. And now we see the real difference between the four options. Nosotros, so we, nuestro, nuestra, nuestros, nuestras. So my, let's say, nuestro libro, o nuestra biblioteca, o nuestros libros, o nuestras bibliotecas. Biblioteca is library. Okay? And then vosotros, same thing, vuestro, vuestra, vuestros, vuestras. So, vuestro libro, vuestra biblioteca, vuestros libros, vuestras bibliotecas. Your book, your library, your books, your libraries. Okay, and finally, third person plural, ellos, ellas, ustedes, su for the singular, sus for the plural. So, su libro, sus libros. Or su biblioteca, sus bibliotecas. Okay, I hope everything is clear, but it will become clear, don't worry, doing some exercise. Let's see, for example, ¿cuándo viene su familia? When does his, her, whatever, there are many pronouns, family come? As you can see from the table, su is either for the third person singular, so ella, ella, él, ella, usted, or for the third person plural, ellos, ellas, ustedes. So, when does his family, her family, the family comes? Su familia. Familia is feminine singular, and so we go here in the feminine singular spot, we have su, therefore we use su. Él es mi esposo y ellos son nuestros hijos. Now, hijos, masculine plural, our sons, so our children. So we have to check here, first person plural. We have said hijos is masculine singular, masculine plural, and so nuestros. Okay? This means he is my husband and they are our children. As you can see, adjetivos posesivos antes del sustantivo. So before the noun, familia, su familia. hijos, nuestros hijos. Let's see the third sentence. ¿Dónde están tus zapatos nuevos? Where are your new shoes? Tus zapatos. Zapatos is masculine plural. Tus, your shoes. And so we have to go here. Tu, masculine plural, tus. And therefore, tus zapatos. And finally, vuestros amigos son muy gentiles. Your friends are very kind. So, amigos is masculine plural, and so we have to go here, vosotros, vuestros, because masculine plural, vuestros. Okay, I hope everything is clear. It is not particularly difficult. Let's see the second type of possessive adjectives, of adjetivos posesivos, which are the adjetivos posesivos después del sustantivo, after the noun, which are also known as pronouns. They are not the same thing, but not the same thing in the sentence, but they are the same thing in meaning that they are actually the same. We will see some sentences later. So either you want to put an adjective after the noun, or you want to use a pronoun, then you have to check this table right here. Adjective and pronoun are two different things, but in the case it is an adjective after the noun, it behaves exactly as a pronoun. We will see about that in a few minutes. Let's first read this table together. So, yo, I. So, my, mío, mía, míos, mías. Again, this is masculine singular, feminine singular, masculine plural, feminine plural. Mío, mía, míos, mías. Este libro es mío. This book is mine. Okay? As you can see, that is a pronoun because it is a substitute of the noun. Este libro es mío. Tú, so second person singular. Tuyo, tuya, tuyos, tuyas. Estos libros son tuyos. These books are yours. Estos libros son tuyos. Third person singular. Suyo, suya, suyos, suyas. Estas bibliotecas son suyas. These libraries are his or hers. Okay? First person plural. Nuestro, nuestra, nuestros, nuestras. Again, este libro es nuestro. This book is ours. Second person plural, same thing, vuestro, vuestra, vuestros, vuestras. So, este libro es vuestro. This book is yours. And finally, third person plural, suyo, suya, suyos, suyas. Again, like the third person singular. Estos libros son suyos. These books are his, hers, or theirs. Okay, let's see some sentences. Here we have ella. Sorry, I forgot the verb here. Ella es, she is, ella es, una amiga suya. She is a friend of her. Suya, because it refers to una amiga. Singular, feminine. So, suya. It is a friend of hers, so we have to look at the third person singular, and then a friend, amiga, is feminine and singular, and so suya. Here, son parientes nuestros. Ellos, subject, ellos son parientes nuestros. they are relatives of ours. So, of ours, so we have to check here, nosotros. And then parientes is masculine plural, and so nuestros. Okay, let's see here. Tus zapatos son más caros que los míos. Now, tus is an adjective, a possessive adjective that goes before the noun, and so it falls in the first category we studied. Tus zapatos, your shoes, son más caros que los míos. Now, in this case, míos, it's a pronoun because it is a substitute for zapatos. We can say tus zapatos son más caros que mis zapatos, but in that case we would make a repetition and we don't like that, so we usually say your shoes are more expensive than mine. So, what do we do here? We put los, because we have to put the article referring to zapatos, and then instead of writing zapatos again, we write the pronoun míos, because zapatos is masculine plural. So, los, instead of writing zapatos, we write míos, masculine plural. Let's see the second sentence of this kind. Vuestras notas son tan altas como las suyas. Vuestras notas son tan altas como las suyas. Vuestras notas, again, vuestras, I underlined it because it is un adjetivo posesivo antes del sustantivo. So it falls again under the first category. Vuestras notas. Notas is feminine plural. And so if we want to substitute notas, don't want to repeat the same noun again, we can write las, because it is the article, las. And then we want to say of his or of hers or of them, of theirs. And so we go check these tables here, a third person singular or plural, depending on the subject. And we see notas, feminine plural, suyas. Alright, I hope it is clear enough. Let's do a little bit more of practice more. Mi mochila es más grande que la tuya. Mi mochila es más grande que la tuya. My backpack is bigger than yours. Now, mi mochila, adjective, possessive adjective before the noun. My backpack. And then que la tuya, because mochila is feminine singular, and therefore we want to check here. Feminine singular, sorry, so tuya. Okay? Tus casas son muy grandes. Tus casas son muy grandes. Your houses are very big. In this case, we have un adjetivo antes del sustantivo. So, tus casas, your houses. Let's carry on. Nuestros gatos son tranquilos. Nuestros gatos son tranquilos. Our cats are calm. Again, an adjective before the noun. Nuestros gatos. Our cats. Gatos, masculine, plural, and so nuestros, masculine, plural. Sus problemas son importantes. Sus problemas son importantes. Again, un adjetivo antes del sustantivo. We have to check. Problemas is feminine, plural. The subject really. Not the subject, sorry, but the adjective really depends on the subject. We don't know right now because we don't have the subject clear. So, sus problemas could mean his, her, or their problems. Su lugar favorito es el campo. Su lugar favorito es el campo. Same as before. In this case, lugar is masculine singular, and so we have su. Su lugar favorito es el campo. And again, his, her, their favorite place, because we don't know what the subject is. Mi boli es azul. Mi boli es azul. My pen is blue. Mi boli is mi bolígrafo. Bolígrafo, masculine, singular. My pen, mi boli. Okay, let's do this translation exercise, este ejercicio de traducción. My sister is older than me and our parents are 56 years old. Their life is the best. You can pause the video and I will tell you the correct translation in a second. Okay, let's see. Mi hermana es más grande que yo y nuestros padres tienen 56 años. Su vida es la mejor. So, mi hermana, my sister, es más grande que yo, is older than me. And our parents are 56 years old. Y nuestros padres tienen 56 años. Nuestros padres, because padres is masculine plural, and so nuestros. Su vida es la mejor. So the best, la mejor. Su vida, their life. Vida, feminine singular, su. We are referring to ellos because it's nuestros padres. So they is the subject. If we want to check the table here, they, subject. And then we have vida, which is feminine singular, su. Okay? Very good. Now, let's do this last exercise. You have here a series of sentences, and you have to complete them with the correct adjective in the brackets. Pause the video and let's see the answers. So, mi perro se llama Pepe. Su trabajo es muy interesante. El helado es tu comida favorita. Nuestra familia es divertida. Su cumpleaños es en agosto. Este es nuestro coche y este es el suyo. Okay, as you can see, mi perro, so masculine singular. Mine, so mi perro. Su trabajo, in this case, her job. Trabajo masculine singular, so su trabajo. The subject is her, so su, third person singular. El helado es tu comida. Your favorite food, so tu, because comida is feminine singular. The subject is you, so tu comida. Nuestra familia, familia is feminine singular. The subject is our family, and so nuestra. Su cumpleaños, cumpleaños is, it is not plural, bear in mind, cumpleaños is singular, el cumpleaños, and so singular, masculine, su. And finally, este es nuestro coche y este es el suyo, because coche, masculine, singular. Very good. Congratulations, felicidades. This lesson is over. I hope you understood. I hope everything is clear enough, and I hope you have everything, you have understood everything. Okay, I will see you in the next lesson. Keep practicing and nos vemos muy pronto. Adiós.